Hello everybody, I'm Dutch and I'd like to show how to install our chair quilt on a high back chair. There is no top and bottom. You can see that it's clearly a rectangle though. And on the bottom, you stick around those posts. And then you install the chair. You're gonna have to put the back on first. There's typically sleeves that these chairs run down on. So after you put that all the way down, simply hook the bottoms on, and then now to install the chair. First thing you want to do is get it around the bottom like that. And then you pull it up and there's hoops on here. See where my thumb goes through. And they just go right around where the bar is. One last final step is you want to cinch this on so that we get caught nicely around these corners, but yet it won't be really across the legs. Thank you, everybody.